Bianca Umali hopes to become like Nora Honor, walang kupas na napakahusay. Bianca Umali is excited that finally Mananambal will be shown in local cinemas starting February 12. It was about a year ago when the Kapuso actress received an acting award for her role in this horror movie directed by Adolf Alex, Jr. At the movie press conference held last week, Bianca looked back at the moment she received the Best Dramatic Actress Award at the Jinso Arigato International Film Festival in Nagoya, Japan. She related, "When the award was given and tinawag yung pangalan ko, hindi ko po inakala, honestly, na my performance would be recognized at that level. Yun nga po, ang sa akin, ang pinakahihintay ko lang naman po ay may palabas na po ito. I mean, na mapanood na po ninyong lahat. Pero nagkataon po yun, na nagkaroon ng parangal para sa akin at sa mga ginawa ko. I was already in cloud 9. Sobra-sobra na po yun para sa akin. I did not even know how to thank each and everyone in the room who made that award possible. Pero isa lang po ang nasa utak ko talaga, it was a blessing. Ipinagpasalamat ko agad yung sa ama at para po yun sa lola ko." Bianca admitted that acting recognitions fuels her passion for acting more. "It made me more hungry. It made me more curious as to what else I can do and how I can improve myself to be more capable of bigger roles and more impactful roles. Kagaya nga po ng ine-explain ko kanina, mahal ko po ang ginagawa ko," she said. The Kapuso actress even noted that her goal as actress is to become like her Mananambal co-star, the superstar and national artist Nora Honor. She said, "Alam ko po na isa po akong aktor kaya po ang goal, kung papalarin man, ay maging isang Ms. Nora Honor, na umaarte pa rin hanggang ngayon at walang kupas na napakahusay." As an actress, Bianca said, "Alam ko na I will go the extra mile for the roles that I'm given. Para po rito sa Mananambal, maliban sa role ko at workshops ko in the character, I had to go for a fact na I even darkened my skin color for the role just to match the environment, just to match the world. I'm always willing to do more and more and more and I will never stop being curious. I will never stop being excited na umarte at ipagmalaki ang pelikulang Pilipino."